announcer's booth with high energy and big excitement.
And I am Huda. Remember our slogan? Listen, learn, speak English confidently. Today we are tackling a versatile phrase that's a total game changer. Look up.
That is right. In the world of English, to look up can mean searching for information, like checking a player's stats, or it can mean that a situation is finally improving.
Exactly, Zane. Whether you are searching a dictionary or seeing your team's score improve, things are looking up. Let's see it in action on the field.
Huda, the crowd is roaring. I cannot believe that incredible play. Who is that new player wearing number 10?
I am not sure, Zane. Let me look up his profile on the league website right now. Oh, he's a transfer from Spain.
What a find! With talent like that, the team's championship hopes are definitely looking up this season.
They sure are. Now it's your turn, listeners. Try to use look up in your next English conversation.
Subscribe to the Englo Listening Podcast for more tips. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we will see you at the next match.